Like this hairstyle? Well, here's what to ask your barber. Fraser came into Ruffians in Edinburgh for a cut with Craig. This one's about keeping the back and sides super neat and adding loads of volume and texture into the top. This is a great hairstyle for anyone wanting to make their hair look thicker and fuller. After washing Fraser's hair, Craig starts on the clipper work, putting in a 0.5 placement to create a low to medium fade on the back and sides. He then took out some of the bulk above the fade line, working from a 2.5 guard skipping down. Now onto the top, it was kept long to ensure Fraser could style his hair into a big quiff, but taking more length off from the back whilst keeping that length in the front would make the hair look even longer in comparison. You'll see that it's all about the contrast in length. For loads of texture and movement in the hair, Craig used a point cutting technique with the scissors. Spraying a little of the Ruffians Sea Salt spray, Craig started to style in a big quiff with loads of volume. From there, it's all about personalising and finessing the cut. Now you'll see this cut from Craig and over 400 more with filters to find your perfect style on manfromself.com. All linked down below. Using the detailers, Craig tidied around the ears and neck to a clean taper. He then used both clipper over comb and scissor over comb to ensure the back and sides were as smooth as possible. Finally, it was styling with a clay. Now a clay is a fantastic option for a matte finish with loads of texture. It also helps to swell the hair, so it's perfect if you want a product to thicken your hair. All details on the cut are down below in the description, as well as information on what to ask your barber. Make sure you hit subscribe right now for more hairstyles, product reviews and grooming tips from me, Man for Himself.